Hey everybody. Okay, so project life. Here I go again. I am changing up my project lifestyle and I hope you stick with me on this. I did 8.5 by 11 memory planner pages, and I know I kept saying in the videos I need to find a way to make it quicker, and I could never find a way to make it quicker. I just kept adding things and had so much fun playing digitally, which is great, but it's gonna make it so it's very hard to catch up. And so I decided to take the plunge for Storyline Chapters. I saw them in January, but I was really hesitant to try another form, bring another format into my scrapbooking, and so I put it off, and then I kept seeing Jessica Upton making pages. I'll leave her information in the description box below, but I kept seeing her pages, and I guess she turned into the guinea pig of this whole chapters thing, because she kept making these pages, and I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it. So I'm finishing up with March in my 8.5 by 11, and I have a few process videos to share for that, and also a walkthrough, but I am almost done with that. So that will cover January through March, and then I will start this for April. So today's video is just gonna be a very simple page, this one right here. I started out with just making a cover, and right here you can see my tray. I'm using the Up and Down collection from Ali Edwards, at least to start with. I just made stamps, stickers, a journaling card, and then some hearts to start with for April. And so I may just add April somewhere, I don't know. But I didn't put this in the process video because I was just kind of playing around with it. And this is the one that you will see come together. Super quick, super simple. I'm really gonna try so hard to make these pages simple so I can just move forward with documenting family life and project life for my family, because I truly enjoy it, and I have been doing it since I was pregnant with my son, so that is about 11 years, and I've changed my formats many times over the years, and I'm okay with that, but I do want to continue to tell my family's story. So this one is just a large photo, kind of following the same format that Jessica did, with a large photo and then a collage right here, and that's what I stuck to. I have a little flap for journaling. It probably should have gone the other way, but that's okay. And then just a few embellishments. I'm not sure how thick embellishments are gonna work in the long run, but I'll see. So you get to see this one come to life. Super quick, but I want you to see it, and I'm excited. So here I go. All right, so I'm going to put my pages together. There is the cover again, and I know that talking about my project life and all of that was half this video, but I just wanted to explain where I'm at with my project life. Okay, so I have this flip pocket right here. I'm just using some white cardstock. The presentation paper that I use, I'll leave a link for it, but it's my favorite type of paper, and I just made a little flip pocket and then folded the paper, adhered it, and then I put a yellow die cut on top of it. I'm also going to pull out some word stickers and then the circle stickers as well, because like I said, I don't know how this notebook's going to hold up with heavy embellishment, so I'm just doing a few. Adding a few word stickers to several of the photos, and then I'm going to stamp some sentiments as well. Also using the negative space with the clouds up at the top to kind of put a title and a cluster of embellishments. I'm stamping loving, that way I can fussy cut it out. I also stamp a little sentiment with pink ink, but I can't remember if I wound up using that or not because it was very light and it didn't necessarily match the flower that I had. I also pulled out the art of noticing, so that way I could stamp a few sentiments with that, like document and listening and feeling, and just including those. And I, once again, like I said, I went with a design that is similar to what Jessica has done, and I'm okay with that. And I will probably continue to stick with collages because that just makes it simple and easy, because I want to be successful in my project life. All right, so I added in several of the stamped sentiments, and I am just gonna finish adding those, and then I'm gonna tape down my flowers and glue down my wood veneer. And I will journal on this little flip pocket off camera. I don't think you need to see that. And I'm just adding a few little circle stickers, double-sided tape for this flower, and I will be done with this spread. Simple, easy peasy, and hopefully that's how this continues. Find the good. That is always the case, right? Always got to find the good. All right, so you got to see this one come together, and I'm so excited to share these pages with you and just try this format. I know for me, and maybe for you, it's really hard to try a new format, but I'm enjoying the storyline chapters, and I already did a second spread that I'll hopefully have up soon, but I am really enjoying these and just sticking with the format of collages and just keep it simple. Telling myself, Sabrina, keep it simple. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching this process video. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. All right, have a great day. Bye.